Bitcoin is now breaking out of this range with strong momentum. In this emergency Bitcoin update, I show you what to do if you are in a trade right now or if you're on the sideline right now. So first of all, Bitcoin is in a longer uptrend on the daily chart. We then moved into this range which was building since 2 weeks. And since 2 weeks we were in this range consolidating, and we first took some liquidity over this highs right here. And then we took some liquidity under this low and moved to the upside again. And today we are seeing this explosion and this strong 4-hourly candle for Bitcoin. We retested this demand zone and then pushed to the upside. And we nearly closed over this last high. And now the chance, if we are closing with this 4-hourly candle over this high, then the chance is high that we will see much higher prices. Especially if we are looking at the daily chart. If the candle closes like this would be a very bullish sign, and the chances high that we will see higher prices. And if the strong bullish momentum continues, the chances high that we will move into this supply zone. This is a weekly supply zone from Bitcoin, and the chance that we will find resistance here is very high. Also, if we're using the Fibonacci tool, you can see that we have the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level in this supply zone. So I expect some resistance if we come into $57,000 to $59,000 in this supply zone. So the chance that we directly move into this zone is very high. And the chance after this longer consolidation that we see a massive breakout is there. But I would also be cautious with long positions right now, because we saw this move to the upside over this highs. And if we're not finding acceptance over this highs, then the chance is high that we just take liquidity over this highs and that we then take the liquidity and move to lower levels again. If we have a look at the liquidation heat map, you can see that we took some liquidity right here, moved to the upside. We also took this big liquidation cluster here at $52,000. So this liquidation cluster was over this high. And right now the chances high that we are liquidating all stop loss areas from short positions. Because when people are shorting the market in this region, the chance that they put their stop loss right here over this last highs and in this high regions is very high. So if we are seeing a body close right here with this 4-hourly candle under this high, then the chance for a retracement is getting bigger. And then I think the next potential stop is this demand zone right here. Because from this demand zone we saw this push to the upside. And the chance that we can liquidate much long positions in this area is very high. So if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame then I think the chance is also high that we could see much higher prices from this zone. So guys, what would I do if I'm on the sideline right now? I personally would be cautious right now because many people are greedy right now and think that the bull market will begin. And if we're not finding acceptance over this highs, then I think the chance is high that we will see another dump to the downside again. But of course the chance is high that we will see much higher prices and go to $57,000 directly. But the risk for a short-term trade to the upside would be too high for me. I personally would wait if we find acceptance over here. And if we find acceptance here, I would wait for a retracement. So if we are clearly in a bullish trend with higher highs right here and higher lows, I personally would then wait for a retracement and get into the retracement for a long position. And if you want to get an update for a potential trade from me, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description where I share daily updates on the crypto market. So guys, this was my emergency update on Bitcoin. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.